What if I told you that there's a tool that can turn your words into full cinematic videos, characters, voice, music, everything, without hiring a single animator? Imagine this. You write a simple story, and in minutes, it's transformed into a 30-minute long animated film. Your characters talk with emotion, scenes shift, music plays to the mood, and the best part? It's all done with AI. No editing skills needed. Most tools give you generic templates, static avatars, or limit you to just a few seconds. But this one, it gives you full control, custom characters, voiceovers in dozens of languages, even consistent appearances across scenes. Whether you want to tell a dramatic story, create a YouTube series, or just impress your audience, this tool does what others only dream of. It's called MagicLight AI, and yes, it's as magical as it sounds. You get 300 free credits to start, a drag-and-drop editor, and cinematic output that feels human. Stay with me. I'll show you exactly how to use it. Let's dive in and explore the magic, step by step. First, open up Chrome, or any browser you prefer, and type MagicLight AI in the search bar. Click the very first link you see. This takes us straight to the official website. Welcome to MagicLight's world. This is where your ideas come to life, literally. Go ahead and click on Start for free. You don't need a credit card, just an idea. Now, log in using either your Gmail or Discord account. Super quick, super easy. Once you're in, you'll notice two things: a set of helpful tutorial videos and a gallery of amazing videos made by other users. Yes, this platform has a creative community already thriving. Now here's where it gets fun. You can explore various visual styles, from realistic Disney and 3D cartoon to even quirky ones like Meow and Comic. It's like walking through an animation studio built by AI. Let's take a quick peek at what's possible. Here's a video made by another user. Watch just 5 seconds and you'll see the cinematic potential waiting for your script.
That night, the Capitol fell. Fire swept across the sky like a dragon's wing. I ran through the flames, behind me dying screams of my bloodline. The crown hitting the ground rang louder than the fire.
Back on the dashboard, you have two main options: Create AI Video and Create AI Character. We'll start with video creation. Click on Create AI Video, and here's where your vision starts taking shape. First, choose your aspect ratio. Whether you're posting to YouTube or Instagram, pick what fits best. We'll go with landscape for this tutorial. Next is the language. MagicLight supports a wide range: English, Arabic, Portuguese, and more. We'll stick with English for now. Now comes the style. This is the soul of your video. From cinematic realism to Disney charm, comic book drama to 3D cartoon magic, pick one that matches your story. Let's go with Disney for this example. Time to bring your script to life. The Smart Script option lets you enter a single idea, and it writes a complete video script for you. If you're unsure where to start, check out the sample ideas. Just one click and you've got a plot ready to animate. Last step, select the video duration. Free users can create up to 1-minute videos. If you upgrade, you can go all the way to 30 minutes of content. Prefer full control? The basic script option lets you write your own dialogue and narration scene by scene, perfect for custom storytelling. All right, now that we've set the stage, let's bring our story to life from scratch using the basic script option. With basic script, you can create rich, custom stories, up to 12,000 characters long. That's enough for deep narratives, detailed dialogue, and dramatic twists. You'll also notice a selection of trending templates. These are story styles and formats currently catching fire on the platform. Use them wisely, and your chances of grabbing views and subscribers go way up. Now, for the story itself, let's jump over to ChatGPT. You can write your own prompt, or use the one we've shared in the video description below. Just copy and paste it. Once we enter our prompt and ask ChatGPT to create 5 to 8 story ideas, it begins crafting them within seconds, each one bursting with creativity and ready to be brought to life. We'll go with the first one, The Crystal Vines of Virelia. It features 2 characters, Alara and Kael. To create a full story from one of the ideas, simply reply to the selected story idea, then type or paste this prompt from the video description. I like this idea. Write 600-word story in formal narrative form, as I will use MagicLight AI to generate the story visuals. Do not include visual prompts, only provide the written story. Hit enter, and ChatGPT will instantly transform that concept into a rich, ready-to-animate narrative. First, copy the title of your story and paste it into the script box. Then, grab the entire story, head back to MagicLight AI, and paste it into the script section. Once everything's in place, just click Next, and the real magic begins. After taking some time, the real magic appears. The platform breaks your story into 32 cinematic shots. You can remove scenes, add new ones, or even edit any shot directly. Total creative freedom. After that, MagicLight analyzes your script and automatically detects your characters. Here, we have our 2 leads, Alara and Kael. You have 2 choices. Autocast, which is fast, or Edit Characters, where you control every detail. We'll go with Edit. This opens up the character library, packed with pre-designed faces. Or hit Create to build your own from scratch. Here's where it gets personal. You get to choose your character's name, gender, and even assign a category like Human Anthro. Age, style, we'll keep the Disney style as we selected earlier. Now it's time to describe your character. Add details like hair color, eye shape, clothing. You can even upload a photo to match a real person, but make sure you follow the platform's demo guide if you do. For rich, vivid character descriptions, head back to ChatGPT. Use the custom prompt we shared in the description or create your own. ChatGPT will create a beautifully detailed profile, but there's a catch. MagicLight only accepts 500 characters per prompt. To solve that, just ask ChatGPT to rewrite the description within 500 characters. Now copy the refined description and paste it into the character prompt box. Click Generate Image, and just like that, a stunning custom character appears. If it needs tweaks, feel free to fine-tune. Otherwise, hit Apply and then confirm. Let's do the same for Kale. Click Create Character, set the category to Human, and paste the 500 character prompt. Generate, Apply, confirm, and now you've brought your second character to life. With both characters ready, click Next, and MagicLight will begin crafting your storyboard scene by scene. MagicLight has just generated the full storyboard based on our script. 32 cinematic shots crafted automatically from your story. Each shot represents a different part of the plot, a new moment in the adventure, yet the character consistency remains rock solid. Same faces, same styles, evolving through time. You'll notice how each image beautifully matches the mood of the scene, whether it's action, suspense, or an emotional pause. Now here's where it gets interesting. Don't like how a scene looks. You're not stuck with it. Just select the shot, click Regenerate, and watch the AI paint a brand new image. Fresh perspective, same context. And boom, hola, a new visual is born. You can repeat this for every single shot until your story looks exactly the way you imagined it. You're not just watching a story unfold, you're directing it. And remember, each regenerated image is context aware. It still follows the storyline, matches the characters, and keeps your plot in motion. In short, MagicLight gives you the power of a full animation studio packed into your browser. All right, the scenes are stunning, the characters are alive, but now it's time to breathe real motion into the story. At this stage, MagicLight offers you two powerful choices: Animate One or Animate All. Let's explore both. First, we'll choose Animate One to animate a single shot manually and see the magic up close. Here we can pick the platform that will do the animation work. Options include Lip Sync, Animate Pro, Runway, and Hailuo AI. Each has its strengths, but for this one, we'll go with Animate Pro. Now, you have two creative paths: intelligent generation based on the screen, or generate from customized prompts. With customized prompts, you describe the animation style yourself. Want it to zoom dramatically, fade in with flair, or feel cinematic? That's your tool. But to keep things quick and smart, we'll go with intelligent generation. Let the AI interpret and animate based on the story content. Select Animate Pro, click Confirm, and let it process. Just like that, our still image becomes an animated video clip. Smooth transitions, character movement, emotional pacing, it's all there. Let's try another. Select the next shot, pick the platform, confirm, and boom, another beautifully animated scene, ready to be part of your final story. Now you've seen how individual clips come alive, let's go bigger. We'll now try Animate All to transform the entire storyboard into motion. Choose your animation platform once more. We'll stick with Animate Pro and hit Confirm. MagicLight will now ask you to confirm token usage. This is where your credits come into play. Go ahead and confirm one more time. And just like that, the entire story comes to life. Every frame animated, every scene flowing smoothly, like a professional studio production. Now we're almost done. After animation, you're directed to the final polish phase, where we set the cover, subtitles, and background music. First up, cover title. MagicLight automatically uses your story's title, but you can change it to anything that suits your brand or story arc. Next is the cover title style. Pick a font and layout that pops. We've selected this bold header for a cinematic feel. Then, move on to subtitle settings. Choose your subtitle style, whether you want them modern, bold, or subtle. It's all here. Finally, head to the background music tab. Set the volume. It's 100% by default, but you can tone it down for a softer feel. Browse the music list. Choose something that matches your mood. Fantasy, suspense, chill. It's all royalty-free and AI synced. And when you're ready, click Generate. After clicking Generate, it'll ask you to choose a few final settings. For the ratio, go with 16:9, perfect for most screens. Then, set the resolution to 1080p to get sharp, high-quality video that looks great on any platform. MagicLight takes all your pieces, script, characters, animations, subtitles, music, and fuses them into one final video. After all the creativity, customization, and careful crafting, your animated story is finally ready. As soon as your video is generated, a pop-up appears with two options: preview or submit. Click on Submit to send your project for final processing. Think of it like sealing the final cut. A quick confirmation window pops up asking, "Confirm to publish work." This is MagicLight's way of locking in your creation. Click OK, and just like that, your video begins downloading, smooth, secure, and all yours. You've now taken a simple idea and turned it into a full-blown animated video without touching a camera or hiring a team. If this helped you unlock something new today, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials on powerful AI tools. Got questions or want me to cover another tool next? Drop it in the comments. I'm always listening.